Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Zoom error code 13224. The error reads, "Unable to join the meeting." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to start or join a Zoom meeting. The error appears on both desktop and Android devices. According to our research, this error may occur due to a system malfunction, an issue with the Zoom app software, or a problem with your network settings. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your computer and the Zoom app. Simply shut down your system completely, then relaunch the Zoom app and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check your firewall and antivirus settings. Make sure Zoom is allowed through both. After adjusting the settings, restart the Zoom app and check for the error. If the error still persists, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Simply switch to a different network if needed or restart your router. Then check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, then update Zoom to its latest version. Simply go to the Zoom app and check for updates and install any pending updates. Then relaunch the app and check for the error again. If you still get the error, try joining the meeting through your web browser. Simply open your browser and go to the Zoom meeting link and attempt to join from there. And see if the issue also persists with the Zoom web browser version. If the error doesn't resolve, try reinstalling the Zoom application. Simply uninstall the app from your device, then reinstall it from the official source. Once done, relaunch and check if the error still comes. At last, if nothing helps, we suggest contacting Zoom support. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.